Hey everyone, welcome back to another cooking series from the Crow Fam. Today we're going to cook vegetables in coconut milk. Let's cook! Here are the main ingredients. In this video, I used 250 grams of pork, 2 cups of string beans, 2 cups of squash, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves of garlic, green chili, 2 cups of coconut milk, then salt, pepper, and sugar to taste. Let's get cooking. In a heated pan, pour just enough oil, then add garlic. Keep sauteing until golden brown. Then add onions. Then add pork. Now add 1 cup of coconut milk. Save the second cup for later. It smells so good with the coconut milk. So just bring it to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the meat is tender. Once the meat is tender, you can add your 2 cups of squash. Then add green chili. Then season it with salt and sugar. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes and add your string beans. Now you can add the second cup of coconut milk. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. And now your vegetables in coconut milk is ready. It's done.
Yum yum. Done.
Remove from heat and serve to the family. Look at that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think about this recipe in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.